What's up, this ICANN's hack. Today I'm going to show you something different. Today we're going to do batch tutorials from the basic to advanced. I'm not sure if we're going to do it, but yeah, I think I'm going to do it. So basically we're now going to teach you about batch, from making the introduction about batch, the requirements, the dangerous commands, how to make a virus, game development, the effects, etc. So from the beginning, batch is batch. Batch is a scripting language. Using batch, you write a batch file, which runs some containing commands that will run in a specific order. The name batch was given by the language because a batch file contains a used bundle of batch and commands. So they were made to finish tasks in a specific order of time. So they were made to keep your operating system working. In every Windows operating system, there's at least one batch file that's crucial to the operation of Windows. So the requirements about this is just have Notepad. For example, you can have C++, or a compiler, but no. Let's just start with the basic, and that is using Notepad. So over here, Notepad, it's in Dutch because my operating system is Dutch. I'm too lazy to change it, so screw it. So for example, we're going to use make a basic tutorial about the first batch file you're going to make, for example, if this is your first thing. So let's start off with something easy. We're going to use @echo off. It's it stops the batch file from showing in file paths. Like like for example, if you type in a command, you have no, not DZ. What the fuck, DayZ? Seriously? Okay, wait. I have no idea where I put that command. Yeah. So, for example, now you see C users, etc. Yeah, that's what we don't want that. So we're going to use echo off. Echo off. Make sure that you don't have that. So now we're going to press enter. And now type, for example, echo. Echo makes it display the language of numbers and words. For example, welcome to the tutorial. So now you have the welcome to this tutorial, and yeah, like that. So we're going to type in pause. Pause. Make sure that you when you want. Because let's see. Yeah. What I mean. For example, if we just copy this and save it as a batch file, and we double click on it, run it, it will say, like in a second, welcome to this tutorial, and immediately close. But that's not what we want. We want to have a little time, not a timer. We're going to have a pause in it. So type in pause, and when it's now runs, it will say press that key for next thing. So we're going to save it as batch1.bat. Bat is the extension of the program. So now it's there. So we're going to run it, and as you can see, welcome to this tutorial. Press a key to continue. It's Dutch. Sorry about this. This is not a great tutorial for me using Dutch, but sorry. So welcome to this tutorial. Now we have to do this. Now we have this. So yeah, it's working. I didn't really prepare for this. This is totally random, so I'm trying to make the best thing ever. Yeah. So. Let me see. You got your text file. So now you want to run the program. Well, first you have to save it, of course, but you might be thinking, you're saving a text file, how the hell am I going to run it like a batch file? So it's easy. Just go to File, Save As, and then the name, and then .bat. Bat will be batch. So click on Save, and yeah, save it. Now it says on the desktop. You can double click on it and it will open. So congratulations, you made your first batch file. I'm proud. So the fact about if you ever so yeah, double click on it, it'll say welcome to this tutorial, press a key to continue. So you see what the pause command did. The pause command makes sure that it says press a key to continue, and so when you press any key it will close. So it goes to the next line of code, which eventually is nothing because we didn't write a fourth line of code, so now it's closed. If you want to edit your batch file again, you just simple right click on it and click on edit, and then it will be open in Notepad. So when you make changes, you just click on File and Save instead of Save As. Then you close the Notepad and you run it again. And if your batch file ain't working or won't run, there might be a little problem. For example, you may have mistyped that thing, the echo off, or you mistyped the echo or pause, or you don't have administration rights to use it. So make sure you are on an administrator account. And if it's still not running, just right click on it and click on Run as Administrator. The batch file should run. If it does run but it closes automatically, then there is an error in the source code you wrote. Like I just said, maybe echo you write wrong or something. Yeah. So now we're going to make it a little bit hotter. For example, we're going to we're going to change the title. So you see now a C Windows System 32.command.exe. We're going to change it. So yes, that's going to be a thing. So we're going to change it. Right click on it, click on edit, and make sure you press enter between echo off and echo welcome to this world. So now we're going to make it a title. The title, to change the title, you just type in title. That's the command, or changing the title of the batch file. So of course you want to make it something like something new. So as you see, you have a name, but that's for the name of the file. The title is at the top. So we're going to talk batch file number 1. We're going to save, and well, we're now going to test it out. Side note, sorry about if my English is a little bit bad, but that's because I'm speaking too much to think, so I may just speak some rubbish or something, and that's my fault. So double click on it and you can see it's called batch file number 1. So welcome to this tutorial, press the key to enter. That's about the basic thing about batch file. Yeah, see you in a minute. Okay, so yeah, in this tutorial you've just learned about the about how to make a title and how to make sure you. Okay, just a follow-up about this tutorial from lesson 1. You now learn how to change the title of a batch file. So as you can see, batch file 1, how to make a how to make the text appear, and how to make a pause using the commands. So a short follow-up on the commands we used was echo off to disable the showing about which showing this. It disables showing this thing. Yeah. So we have used echo off to not show all this because we don't want that. We use title to change the title of the file, and we use echo to show you the text on the screen, and pause to show you press a key to continue. That's a follow-up about lesson 1. Lesson 2, we're going to show you how to color commands and how to make a loading effect. So, see you in a few minutes. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, rate, subscribe, and comment, of course. Share this video to your friends, family, just your friends. Thanks.